Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add borders in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so as you can see here we have this table which contains the list of US states and their population So if you want to add borders to a table or to the whole Google spreadsheet, you can do that really easily. All you have to do is select the cells or the tables you want to add cell borders to. And you will see this borders icon in the toolbar here under the menu bar. And if you click on it, you can see that you have many options. So you can add all borders. And I previously changed the color here. So by default, it should be black. And the line weight should be also this type. But as you have seen now, you can change the border color. You can change the border weight and type as well, and you can also have specific borders. So if you would just want to have outer border, you can have that. If you want to have just inner border, you can also have that without the outer border. So as you can see, you have many options, and if you want to remove the borders, just select clear borders, and as you can see, borders have been removed. But all in all, this is how you can add cell borders to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.